Hello everyone, this is Sut from PriceIsKing.com. Let's talk about what inspired today on the ES and the MNQ. Okay, this is the micro ESMB mini futures as well as the micro NASDAQ futures. I didn't trade the Dow, the micro Dow today, but majority of my trades were just on the NASDAQ and the E-mini S&P futures, the micro. Using our RAM indicator, this is what happened today on the NASDAQ. All right, and this is what's currently happening. We had a setup. Actually, look, if you looked over here, this is all earlier, and then as you can see, the NASDAQ moves a lot, right? You see all of this, okay? You had so many setups. All you had to do if you did today any trades was to simply capture 4 handles, and that's exactly what we want to do, is capture 4 handles, lots of setups. I mean, even if you had taken a simple small setup earlier in the morning, right off the bat, market open, took a short, took this right here to here, had some longs, took this and this, and you would have been done for the rest of the day. You had a setup right here, you had a setup right here, although this one would have been a stopped out. This one was a short. Boom, look at this leg down. If you had a runner, this would have been nice. You had another runner, would have been nice. Right here, right here, right here. So as you can see, this is what inspired on the NASDAQ. Let's take a look at the NQ. I'm sorry, the MES, the S&P micro futures. Okay, and this one doesn't move as often, or is not as volatile as the NASDAQ. The E-mini, look at this. I mean, if you start early in the morning, 8 o'clock is usually a good indication of where things are happening, but usually between 8 and 8:30 you're going to get a lot of data. And today we had some numbers, job numbers, so that you got to be careful on that. And so the market took it the other way, and because you can see that it just rode it up. But after the market opened up on the E-mini, continued to ride up. There was no setup as soon as the market opened, but there was a setup right here, and you can capture this easily. And then you had this easy capture, another capture right here, another capture right here, another capture right here, and currently about, if you're in this, you could have had it captured right here. Usually, I target about 250, give or take, a day, and just call it a day, and started doing other things. But here, I was coding for the most of the day, cloud trading strategy that I'm setting up, so I've been doing that. But this is it. I mean, this is what I have today. I'm done. About an hour ago, I was just closed it out, and just now I'm finishing up. If you have any questions, please reach out to me on Discord. Please subscribe to my channel, like the video, and comment if you have any questions. Thank you.